using this Chemi-San, which is similar to Star San in American videos, I understand, for the first time. Advantages is that once you've mixed it, it lasts for a few days, unlike some of the others which just sort of last for a couple of hours. There's a little container there, so 20 millilitres lets you mix up 10 litres of sanitizer liquid. It does have a lot of precautions on the back to be careful of. Lots of new bottles to sanitise for the first time. My new massive beer spoon comes in handy. Yeah, this monster. I can seemingly sanitise 5 bottles at a time. Excellent. My observation over the previous one is it does get pretty foamy. But, at least I can put a lid on that and save it for a few days and use it again. This is my taste test. So do we carbonate or do we leave it just sweet? Oh, I like that. Oh, that's a tough choice now. Oh, what do we do? I think colder would be better, of course. I think what I'm going to do is go for perhaps just a low amount of carbonation. Oh, that was good. Or should I? Decisions. I think yes, just a little carbonation is a good thing. Sweet and now lightly carbonated, or will carbonate in the bottle, cider, apple cider. My cranberry cider, which, to be fair, now tastes like rocket fuel. Very strong, not very cranberry tasting. And then finally, I was just waiting for this to clear, but you can see the bottle is really hardened up. So there's still some fermentation going on in there. And I wonder if I can just bottle that and use the fermentation for carbonation. Is that how it works? I think so, logically. So by bottling it, it'll force the carbonation into the cider. So yes, I think these two are probably next for bottling. We're back to Turbo Cider number 2. This one I sweetened with apple juice and the fermentation started up again. Today I'm actually going to bottle it. Right. A bit of sediment at the bottom. Right. That is very drinkable. God only knows the alcohol content. I expected it to be a bit more appley, maybe. When I tried this, when I ranked it last time, I love a cranberry apple cider. This sounded wonderful. It was actually more like rocket fuel. Now maybe that's just the development stage, but it remains to be seen. Today I'm going to bottle, so here we go. I don't think I'm going to need to do any carbonation. Well, it looks promising. Let's taste it, shall we? Well, it tastes less like rocket fuel. It's still incredibly strong. It's not very sweet. In fact, there's no sweetness to it at all. I can't really. It feels like I'm drinking a liqueur rather than a cider. I probably did the right move by siphoning, and I'll explain why, because there's lots of little bits of cranberry, or seems to be cranberry anyway, tiny little bits of cranberry in there, maybe even some lees in there actually. So siphoning was definitely the right move. You know, actually it's a drink that could grow on you. So long as it doesn't explode the bottle, then this definitely has some promise. Not cranberry though, but promise.